Hello and welcome to Top Maths and Other Tips. This is Big Bertha's angles question. Now, if you've seen the parallel lines, isosceles triangles, and straight line tricks, you should be ready for this question. So with any great exam question, we want to read the question and understand it. So AD is parallel to EH. Parallel, you can see the arrows. FG is the same length as IG. You can see the two tick marks. Angle ABF is 130 degrees. Find angle GCD marked as Y. So we know we need to find Y. Now with any great exam question, you should read the question twice and then stop to think. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds now to look for any F angles, Z angles. Think about shooting the arrows and the sprinkler. Hopefully that was noisy and distracting, because that's how you're going to feel in your exam. Now I'll talk you through this, showing you one of many ways to solve this question. So starting off here, I see an upside down and backwards F angle, and we know these two angles are going to be the same. We think back to the picture of Father Christmas, and we know this is called corresponding. Corresponding angles are equal, so that angle there is 130 degrees. Now, we're going to plant our sprinkler. We know straight line has 180 degrees in it. So if we have 130 already, that means this is going to be the remaining 50 degrees. Now we've got an isosceles triangle up here. So we're going to look at our tick marks and we're going to shoot the arrow. And we're going to shoot the arrow. So we can see that top angle is the same as this angle here. So this must be 50 degrees. Now we know in the triangle it must add to 180 degrees. And we know that because our maths teachers told us. So 50 and 50 makes 100. So this angle here must be the remaining 80 degrees. Now we're going to plant our sprinkler. And we know those two angles add up to 180 degrees. They're on a straight line. So if that's 80, this has to be 100. We're nearly there. We've nearly got to the Y value. So I can see we've got a Z. I think back to Father Christmas, reading his book from A to Z. So I know this is an alternate angle. Alternate angles are equal. So I know this must be 100 degrees. And there you go. Remember, life is one big competition. And until next time, this is Top Maths and Other Tips.